Just keep in mind, right, IFDOT has opened the shoulders, so I-75 North, I-75 East, there is an extra lane for you. And as you're making these last-minute preps for Hurricane Milton, 10 Investigates' Emerald Morrow is here with one easy but very important tip to add to the list.
Yes, that's absolutely right, Courtney. Now is the time to make sure that you're signed up for all of those emergency alerts, so you make sure you get the communication that's going out to keep you safe. That's how you're going to find out about things like water and sewer shutoffs, areas of danger, and a lot of other life-saving information. The other thing you want to do, and I screen recorded this on my phone, go into your phone setting and down to notifications to make sure you have not turned off government wireless emergency alerts. Sometimes local leaders will send alerts based on location. Those are called geo-targeted alerts, so your settings should be on to ensure that you get them.
Depending on the severity of the incident, most will use the wireless emergency alert for a life safety type of message, right? We need to get the message to everybody in an impacted area, not just people who may have signed up or people that they have data on, but anybody, visitors, tourists, and you name it, if they're in that region or in that area, they want to be alerted to what's going on.
And right now, Florida contracts with a company called Everbridge in all 67 counties to help send out wireless alerts. You just heard from their VP of Public Safety. And inevitably, there are times when something goes wrong and an alert does not get through. Now, all you can do is control what you do from your end. So Everbridge says sign up for your local notifications. Make sure those wireless alert settings are on and check your devices regularly for updates. In studio, Emerald Morrow, 10 Investigates.